Yo, what's up everyone? Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate it. Today we're going to go ahead and do the 20K giveaway. Right in here I have all of these submissions cut down and named out. As you will see, everyone's name is in here. If you commented on the 20K video, your name is within this packet right here. What I'm going to go ahead and do is we're going to switch over to a time lapse. We're going to fold all of these up. We're going to put them into this quill box right here. As you see, it is completely empty. Let's go ahead and focus in there. Absolutely nothing in there at all. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to roll all of these up into little balls here, and then we are going to go ahead and come back and do the drawing right here live. So switch over to a time lapse. Let's get these into this box and let's go ahead and proceed with the giveaway. Okay, so there we have it. Every name is now rolled up and submitted into the giveaway. As you can see, everyone who left a comment on the 20K video is now submitted in this box right here. It took quite a while to go ahead and roll all of these up. Now, before we close the hood and, shake up and draw the winners right here on the camera with you all, I just want to go ahead and thank everyone who submitted. I want to thank you all for the kind words. I want to thank you all for the continued support. I also want to point out that if you're not selected in this giveaway and you don't win this giveaway, please don't be sad, mad, and or discouraged, because I'm going to be doing other giveaways throughout my channel. So just be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, stay up to date with me, so that way you can go ahead and enter the next giveaway for your chance to win. So with that being said, let's proceed and let's get this giveaway underway. Now, as you see right here, everyone who commented on the 20K video announcement, the giveaway announcement video, you were now submitted in here. So you were now submitted into this draw, everyone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake it up real time with you all on camera, so that way you all can see that thoroughly being mixed up. We're flipping them and starting them all, making sure that everyone gets a complete fair chance. So as you see, we had one fall out. Don't worry, they're not falling out. If they do, I obviously see them, so don't worry about that. That's not to be concerned about. So everything is fully transparent, and I thought it's a little excessive, but just right. So we're gonna draw two, like so. So let's see who these lucky winners are. So the first lucky winner is going to be, drum roll please, Jazalyn Forrester, and forgive me if I'm mispronouncing these names, it's not my intent. And the next one is going to be Stepanova. And yet again, forgive me if I'm mispronouncing them, but these are the lucky winners right now. Jazalyn Forrester and Stepanova for the first 20K tattoo kits giveaway. Congratulations. I'm genuinely happy for both of you. I will go ahead and leave comments on the 20K video, the first video, letting you all know that you won. If you see this video, feel free to drop a comment below, and I will go ahead and get your email from you so I can go ahead and email you with more information to get these tattoo kits over to you on your end. Yet again, I appreciate your submissions. I'm genuinely happy that you all were able to win these two tattoo kits. I'm also genuinely sorry for everyone who entered and was not able to win. At this moment, I want you to know I genuinely do feel bad. So what I will go ahead and do is, for those who haven't, I do have a free Procreate brush pack that I personally use to create my stencils. If you were interested, I can definitely send you a link to go ahead and download those on your end. Better yet, I can go ahead and include them in the description below for you, so you can go ahead and at least walk away with something, as I don't want you all walking away with nothing for your time and support. And again, I do feel genuinely bad. However, if you were kind enough to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, be patient with me. I will bring a lot more giveaways along the way. I'll be doing more merch giveaways, maybe some tattoo ink giveaways, and more tattoo tattoo kit giveaways along the way. So yet again, I would genuinely appreciate your support and patience with me on that aspect. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for me, as yet again, I would genuinely appreciate the support. Now, for those who have any questions at all, if you have any questions or if I didn't go over something specific, please feel free to drop it in the comments below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you into the best possible direction. Also, I do have social medias all under the same name at Daniel Yuck. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok all under the same name at DANIELYUCK. Yet again, I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, as I am going to be bringing a lot more videos like this. Thank you all for tuning in yet again. You all have a great day.